I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing dust and oils immediately. This step makes the difference between bubbles and a glass-smooth finish. Once you've set a flat, stable surface and turned off any fans that blow dust, clean your hands and the screen with 70% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Make sure to use adhesive dust stickers for remaining particles. Now align the protector carefully to the phone's edges and cutouts, leaving it just above the glass so you can lower it straight down without shifting. You peel the backing slowly, exposing roughly 1/3 so you control placement and avoid dust attraction. Once the exposed edge touches the glass, lower the rest in a single motion while pressing with a plastic squeegee at about a 45-degree angle to push air toward the nearest edge. If a big bubble or speck appears, lift the nearest corner, remove the particle with a dust sticker, and reapply slowly. This method prevents repeated shifting, which creates new dust and misalignment. You finish by pressing firmly from the center outward in straight strokes, sealing adhesive across the entire surface and removing small bubbles. Once done, make sure to run a microfiber cloth over the protector, and if edges fail to stick, apply mild heat from a hairdryer on low to activate the adhesive. Do this briefly and at a distance. If a stubborn speck refuses to budge, lift to the nearest corner, remove it with a dust sticker, and reapply. Replace the protector only if it's scratched or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.